Hello everyone. We have this question 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equal to 50. And this question is in exponential form, but we can convert this exponential form into quadratic equation. So let's start the solution of this question and look how we will convert this exponential form into quadratic form. So first of all, we can write this 7 power 1 plus x as 7 power 1 into 7 power x, and then plus, and then this 7 power 1 minus x as 7 power 1 into 7 power minus x, which is equal to 50. And now we can write this as 7 into 7 power x plus 7 into this 7 power minus x will become 7 divided by 7 power x, which is equal to 0. Now we can put over here 7 power x as y. So let's put 7 power x equal to y in this equation. So this equation then becomes 7 into y, because 7 power x equal to y, and then plus, and 7 divided by y, because we have 7 power x equal to y, and which is equal to 50. And now we will take LCM over here. So y is the LCM, so this y will multiply with this whole term 7y, so it will become 7y square plus, and this y will cancel this y, and the final value will become plus 7, which is equal to 50. Now we will multiply this y with this 50, so this will become 7y square plus 7 equal to 50y. And now we will shift this 50y on other side of the equation, so our equation will become 7y square minus 50y plus 7 equal to 0. And now this is in the form of quadratic equation. So as I have told in the start that we will convert this exponential question into quadratic form. So now it is in quadratic form, and now we can either use quadratic formula or we can factorize this. So we will try to factorize this. So we can factorize this minus 50 into minus 49y and minus y. So if we add back, so it will give us minus 50y, which is correct. And if we multiply this, so it will give us 49y square, and similarly here we need 49y square. So both the conditions are correct. Therefore, we can split this minus 50y as minus 49y and minus y. And now we will take 7y over here from these two values, which is common. So let's take 7y is common. So then we have y over here and 7 over here and minus. In these two values, we can take this one as common. So 7y and plus 1. This is not plus here. It is by mistake. This will be minus. So let's correct it. This is not minus. Basically, this will be, this is not plus, basically this is minus. So this will minus. Why? Because this minus when multiply with this minus, so it will become plus. So this is basically y minus 7, which is equal to 0. And now in these values we have y minus 7 is common, because here in this term and here in this term we have y minus 7 is common. So let's tag this y minus 7 is common. So y minus 7 after taking common, so here we have 7y and here we have minus 1, so 7y minus 1, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these both values with 0. So the equation will become y minus 7 into 7y minus 1, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare this y minus 7 equal to 0 and 7y minus 1 equal to 0. And here this minus 7 will become 7, because we will shift this on other side of the equation. So this will become y equal to 7. Or you can also say that after adding plus 7 on both sides, so, and here you can say that this 7y equal to 1, because we have sent this minus 1 on other side of the equation. Here it is in minus, so on other side when it is shifted on other side, so its sign will be changed and it will become plus. And now here we can divide this equation by 7 on both sides. So divide by 7 on both sides, then we have the value of y equal to 1 divided by 7 here, and here y equal to 7. Now we have two values of y. So recall our supposition. Our supposition was 7 power x equal to y, and now we will put the values of y one by one. So first, when y equal to 7, then we will put y equal to 7 over here. So let's put y equal to 7 over here. So this is equal to 7 power x equal to 7. We can write this as 7 power 1 to show this power. Now base are same, so therefore we can compare its power. So it means that x equal to 1. So one value of x equal to 1, and when we have y equal to 1 divided by 7, so we will put y equal to 1 divided by 7 over here. So after putting y equal to 1 divided by 7, this 1 divided by 7 can be written as 7 power minus 1. Now again the base on both sides are same, so we can compare their powers. So therefore x equal to minus 1. So now we have the complete solution of the question, which is equal to x equal to 1 and minus 1. So this was the solution of the given question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will request to please subscribe my channel as well. Goodbye, take care.